taunu'u le mafutanga Jennifer, Nicole, Adrian and Benicio. Sei pati mai mo le nei po. O le ala ang to whaafonga iai whetale ai ngā Nicole, ia ma Adrian. Adrian, I know your hate is full of angry on me because of Jennifer. You are beating more my life because of that lady Jennifer. You know, Adrian, I have a baby from Benicio. She looks healthy, no talk, only crying. For your information, Adrian, the baby I had carried is Benicio's property, not yours. I don't want to for sale this property to you. What about Jeremy? Is it yours or belongs to the godfather? If I have a baby from you, Adrian, I want to carry it for 12 months, not 9. You see what a big love from my stomach to you, Adrian. Tell Jennifer she's my foot. Shame on you, Adrian. Why you tap or pack your love on me and Jennifer? Once again, Reese, my baby, is Benicio's real estate, not you. I hate you, Adrian. Say pati mai mo le pone. Le yo le ata le na to mai mo ai lungo TV. O le ala te fai tau atua. Angala ka ngofo le si le limones. Le ai. Se o le koe ngā wingal nge le mawhai na tua ya tātou. Ai ka ngwa koe le sau Jennifer. Leave your hand alone. Sau a kamu wa. A makang pengi giva eba. Fai akuro kala. Mga ngā ngofo ai la rosko inga lungo po akira. Fai mai. A kamu. E ke alo fai akia. A fa parang ko. Adam. Do you love me? O ke sila fia kala akam. A oai seis. E ke mga o ke alofa de puru o le aoa me fa pena. Nga la uar fa tuanga. Adam, do you love me? Who else? Oi. Au avai ai koe. Se so ia ko ke fa pena. Ia.
Pa, belum pangai pa.
Pa, ke fia ai matono ke le ma.